This is a quick test of the Vankyo Leisure 3. I paid $67 for it yesterday, actually. Amazon got it to me overnight somehow. It was a Black Friday deal, and I've set up a bed sheet outside. It's nighttime, the sun set a little while ago, just to see how well it would work. And now I ordered a outside projector screen that I can use that'll be better than this bed sheet. But I just wanted to show that it's perfect for outdoor movie night. It does seem to be bright enough at night. During the day, you wouldn't be able to see this too well. But it's good, definitely good enough for watching a movie outside. For $67, I can't fault it. The speakers aren't the greatest, so make sure you get one of those like cheap Bluetooth speakers to hook up to it. You just make sure it has auxiliary input, and you're good. And I think that'll do. But I don't think my phone is doing the best job. It's actually quite bright white, like some of these whiter portions. It's pretty good. I'm definitely impressed. And this sheet is just sort of hanging from a tree. I just sort of strung it up over the branches. But you can see, it's nothing special. I think it's got some stains on it, actually. This was used for packing. Very old sheet. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed for $67. You can't go wrong with this thing. Definitely not. It's definitely worth $67. Wow.